Take a look at your bank account. Does it feel like you've accidentally signed up for a hidden subscription called Broke Life Premium? You follow the rules, you work the hours, but at the end of the month, the balance never seems to reflect your effort. It's frustrating, and it's a trap most people never escape. We're told that reaching six figures, that first $100,000, is a fairy tale reserved for the lucky few or the trust fund babies. So we look at that milestone from a distance, feeling like it's a destination we'll never actually reach. But the distance isn't the problem, it's the map you're using. Here's the hard truth. Wealth isn't about how much you pour into your life, it's about what you stop letting leak out. You can't fill a bucket that has holes in the bottom. Today, we stop the leaks. We stop the accidental spending and start the intentional building. Most people are out here trying to solve a high-level financial math problem using crayons and guesswork. They hope things will get better. But hope is not a strategy. Today, we're picking up the calculator. We're moving from feeling to knowing. I've condensed years of financial struggle and success into a 9-point blueprint. These aren't just tips, they are the laws of the breakout. This is how you hit that $100,000 mark faster than you ever thought possible. Let's get to work. Charlie Munger famously said the first $100,000 is a bitch, and he was right. Why? Because in this phase, you are the engine. Every single dollar has to be pushed uphill by your own sweat, your own labor, and your own sacrifice. It's heavy and it's hard. You are laying the foundation brick by brick. It feels slow. It feels like nothing is happening. But without this base, the house cannot stand. This is the stage where most people quit because they can't see the mansion yet, only the mud and the bricks. But once you hit that 100K mark, something spiritual happens in your finances. The magic kicks in. Suddenly, you aren't the only one working. Your money starts working harder than you ever could. It stops being a silent number and starts being an active force. Strategy 1. Stop paying full price for your life. By using tax-advantaged accounts, the government effectively gives you a 20 to 30% head start. It's an invisible discount on your future. If you aren't using it, you're voluntarily staying poor. Next, the employer match. This is the only place on earth where you can get a 100% return on your money the second you invest it. Refusing this isn't just a mistake. It's like telling your boss you don't want the raise you've already earned. Don't just shrink your life, expand your means. Create a wealth-only income stream. Whether it's a side hustle or freelance work, every cent from this stream is sacred. It never touches your bills. It only feeds the 100K goal. Your dividends are your money babies. They are small now, but they are the seeds of your future forest. If you spend them now, you kill the forest. Reinvest them. Let the snowball gain weight until it becomes an avalanche. Stop trying to time the market elevator. Wealth isn't built by guessing when the doors will open. It's built by staying on the lift until it hits the top floor. The patient warrior always beats the anxious trader in the long run. The big one, housing. If 50% of your paycheck goes to your roof, you aren't a homeowner, you're a prisoner. To break out, you have to be willing to do what others won't. Optimize your living situation now so you can live wherever you want later. Wealth building is a skill, not a secret. It's about alignment. Your future self is waiting for you at the $100,000 finish line. Are you going to keep them waiting? If you're ready to commit to the breakout, comment "commit" below. Your time starts now.